Good evening. I am the Weirdo of Weirdos, and this is Improv Murder Mystery, the light-hearted, happy-go-lucky show in which everyone dies. Hello? Yeah, I just want to know how much I was getting paid to do this. I'm not getting paid? Okay, thank you. I just lost all incentive to do my job. Okay, yeah, so, small town, murderer, meet the suspects, yada, yada, yada. Good night.
For the day. Welcome! We here are at the Improv, sorry, a little lightheaded. Welcome to the Improv Collective. Just to get kind of an idea of who is in the audience tonight. If you've never seen an Improv Collective show before, can I just get a nice round of applause? Alright, okay. And if you have been to an Improv Collective show before, let's hear a huzzah! One of our shows, essentially what we do is we find very, very talented people. People who are good at memorizing lines, taking directions, blocking, other things that go into acting, and we tell them to go somewhere else. And we take everyone who's left over, everyone who's good at playing make-believe and lying to your face because they're good at making stuff up, and we put on a show for you. And so that's essentially what improv is. We're going to be making up everything on the spot. I'm sorry, I'm a little flustered. We're going to be making up everything on the spot right before your very eyes. But tonight is a very special show. It is our monthly murder mystery. So how this show works is that along with a lot of short form games that you're going to see, and you're used to if you've been to these shows, the whole show is going to be one big story. But there will be little sections of games where the improvisers have to work with little gags and what is the word I'm looking for, Teresa? Tricks, gimmicks, there we go. Thank you, audience member. They will be working with gimmicks in those scenes, but still holding together one full story. They will be the same character the whole time. And that is all you need to know. And during the show, there's going to be a murderer afoot. And it's up to you and the rest of our improvisers to try and figure out who it is. Nobody else knows who the murderer is, except for me, the murderer, and one audience member that I can trust. Anybody? Anyone?
Not me.
You, right here.
She doesn't look trustworthy.
So I have the name.
No, I want to hear now.
No.
I didn't understand.
I have, just so you guys know, we're not making stuff up. Well, I mean, we are making stuff up. We're not like, just deciding the murderer based off whatever we want. The murderer is already decided. It is on this piece of paper.
I think she's the killer.
Okay. It is on this piece of paper, and you will hold it, and I trust you not to tell anyone or open it just yet. Don't, just hold on to it. Hold on to that for the rest of the show. And that's essentially it. We are going to be opening up the show with a game of town hall meeting. And how that works is that our improvisers are already they've already joined you in the audience. And we are in a town. And in this town, we have a specific festival. But first, I need your suggestion I should have warmed you up with suggestions. Hold on, I'm gonna warm you guys up really quick. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna warm you up because we're gonna need some suggestions throughout the whole show. So if I were to come to this section, I were to say, what was your favorite gift you ever got as a birthday present? On 3, you would say 1, 2, 3.
A sharp knife.
Oh,
A sharp knife.
I am the sharp knife. And in this big section, what is a gift that you never got but you really wish you did get when you were younger? On 3, 1, 2, 3.
A cat.
It's a lot of sad. Yeah, dad. But it's essentially that. I'm going to be coming to you throughout the show to get suggestions for our improvisers to use. And that's essentially it. And I'm going to warm you up with a little clapping exercise. Let's say you're at a golf game and someone just hit a nice bird. Okay. Yeah, there we go. All right. You just got your tax return and it's not bad. You're at your niece's recital and she did not fall. You're at your niece's recital and she did fall. All of our improvisers are ready, have their butts in the seats with you all, and now all I need from you is the name of our town. Not a real town, but a fun, made-up town that you maybe wish you could live in.
Rochester.
New York.
Rochester, Stinsville.
I agree. What is that?
Town.
What was that?
Templeville.
Templetown? Templesville'sburg.
Okay, I heard Sinksville. Sinksville. We are in the town of Sinksville, and here in Sinksville, we have a yearly festival that brings us a lot of tourists, a lot of revenue. What is this festival? What do we specialize in here in Sinksville?
The annual Radish Off.
The boxing festival.
Beads.
The annual Radish Judging Competition.
The
annual Radish
Steel Judging Craft.
That was probably the reading by Radish Off.
You know what? All right, okay. You seem very sure, sir. So, this is on you. Here we go. We are having our annual Radish Festival here in Sinksville. And I, the mayor of Sinksville, would like to thank you all for participating every single year. And I'm opening this town hall meeting up just as a way for us to express our excitement or concerns about said festival. I know there may have been some concerns revolving our annual festival, so if anyone likes to say anything, yes?
Yes! I have something to say about this radish off. As you all may know, I'm Pastor Craig.
Oh, Pastor?
And there's sin in these radishes. Juicy, red radishes that just remind you of cruel thoughts you don't want to think. Oh my God. Ooh, but that's why I'm against the Radish Fest, because it encourages sinful thoughts. It encourages little vicious cognition. So please, ladies and gentlemen, I would advise that we please, for the holiness of our community, that you please cease from celebrating the annual spring harvest of the radish off, because we will all go to hell if you do not cease. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Thank you, Pastor Craig. It seems as though you are against the radish off. Thank you. Is there anyone else? I believe we still have time for more thoughts about this. Yes, you're here.
Yes. Oh, I should have work, but my name is Leanne. I'm your local palm reader, and I actually do need these radishes. I grow them in my radish farm, and I sort of praise them in my own way, rub them around, do my own little spiritual ritual with them.
She's a heathen!
Yeah, we don't get along clearly. So I need these radishes in order to tell the palms of the future. This is the way to go with life. This will tell you how you die, where you're going in life.
Wait,
You're going to hell.
when you say read palms, you mean like palm leaves? Or are you saying, oh, gotcha, I'm sorry, I got confused. I'm overthinking things. Continue. Palm leaves.
You don't want to know the way you die.
Oh, damn it.
No, I need this festival. I have the best radishes in town, and they help me tell your future.
everyone. My name is Timothy. I work at the church that my dad is the pastor for, and I'm his altar boy in church. And he told me to stand up, and he told me to say that I have to hate radishes too because Jesus Christ died because of radishes.
You will hate what I tell you to hate.
That's right, Dad. I love you. And the daddy said that radishes it causes you to sin, and everybody that loves radishes should burn in hell. So I'm against radish too. Yay, amen.
Thank you, little Timmy. Thank you, Timothy. We still have time for more people. I mean, yes, right here, yes.
Good. My name is Daniel Beets, and contrary to Pastor Craig's belief, beets are different than radishes, although he constantly tells me, "You're going to hell because your name is Beets," and I tell him those are radishes, not beets. So I have a hard time dealing with both him and his lackey son, who's everything that his dad tells him to do.
Hey, that was not nice.
Oh, sorry, son. It's not your fault. It's your dad's fault. And also, not sure how I feel about the whole palm reading thing. It's a little on the questionable side. I do find the palm reader quite attractive.
That's what happens when you eat beets.
Daddy said beets are bad because when you beat off, you are sinning.
Oh, okay, all right.
That's what I mean. Everything's always a part of these guys.
All right. Oh, this is getting real religious.
Thank you. Oh, and by the way, I'm all for the Radish Festival.
Oh, thank you, Daniel. Thank you. I see some tension between our townsfolk. I believe we have time for two more people if they want to say anything now. Anybody else? Anyone else? No one else wants to say anything? We're pretty happy here in our little town of Sinksville.
Shoot.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, I'm late. I'm sorry.
Always late.
Hey, little bro, what I miss?
We have a man who likes beets, and we have a lady who reads palm leaves.
Cool, I'm for it. Let's do it.
I'm sorry?
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, everybody. I'm Reese Bryson. I'm the quarterback for the Wildcats.
Reese?
Yeah.
And as my little bro was telling me, we got a problem with beets fighting the palm trees. I'm not for it. I'm not for that part.
No, it's radishes. Damn it.
It's wrenches. Oh, jeez. No wrenches either, right? Yeah.
No.
Right. He knows what I'm talking about. So I'm going to take us to state. Our next championship game, if you can believe it, we got multiple championship games. Is it cool if
I mean,
it's going to be Friday night over at the Coca-Cola Bowl. Bring the kids. It's going to be a fun time. Little Brown's going to be there, right?
Yeah, you're gonna win when you're on Jesus' team.
Well, the Wildcats are going to win. That's true.
Thank you, Reese. That was somewhat productive. And I believe we have time for one more person. Yes, right here. Yes. Hello.
I'm Linda. I asked Reese to say Hawkins. He said no.
What does this have to do with bombs? I don't know.
You're so cute when you're weird. I am a senior in high school, and I study science and biology and herbology and earth and ologies. And I just want you guys to know that without the radishes decomposing in the soil year after year from this, we won't have the soil to continue farming. And oh man, Reese, you look so good right there.
You're still looking at anymore.
Nervous.
Control yourself.
I'm sorry.
There's children here.
That's me.
Hi. And I just want everyone to know, whatever Reese wants, I want. So,
All right. Well, this has been quite an interesting town hall meeting. I want to thank you all for your input, whether it be productive or not. Taking everything into consideration, I will now put to a vote whether or not we should keep our beloved Radish Festival. So everyone in our town, this whole audience here, if you want to get rid of the Radish Festival, cheer now.
Yeah, Jesus! Yeah!
Whatever Reese wants. No more radish.
And if you want to keep the Radish Festival, cheer now. Ladies and the Radish Festival, and now you may assume your regular lives.
Darn it.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that is our little town. And now we're going to be playing the game of 2 rooms. And for this game, in this corner, I want to have, I'm deciding it on the spot because that's how this show works. I want to have Daniel and Pastor Craig. Daniel, Pastor Craig, where'd you go? And as they're getting up there, I also want to see Leanne and let's see, Linda. Leanne and Linda in another room. What's a place in town where Pastor Craig and Daniel might be?
Barbershop.
We're gonna do a barbershop. And where might you find Leanne and Linda?
Sporting instructions. Barbershop. Sporting
You're at the nail salon.
garden.
You're at the nail salon. How this game works is that these 4 people, are going to be doing 2 separate scenes. And at any point, I can say switch, and you're going to be switching from scene to scene, just watching them in these locations. And it's as simple as that. And this is 2 rooms. After a warm round of applause, we're going to start
Oh no, the nails are on the other side.
Little do you know your life is full of
Oh my gosh.
$10 extra when you take one.
Anything about Reese?
Yes. Now I can see you're in love with a Reese.
You're so good. And he loves me back.
He doesn't love you back yet.
Oh.
barbershop.
Yeah. That's great.
Daniel Beats.
Listen, I don't beat off. You can shake my hand. There's nothing wrong with my hand.
I'll see it when I believe it.
You want to see me not masturbate? How does that work for you?
Not enough evidence.
Oh, okay. Why?
I'm gonna spend 24 hours of you where you do not masturbate for that 24 hours. The devil never sleeps.
Nail salon.
Not gonna happen.
Nail salon.
I don't think sneaking into his house and poking a bunch of holes in his condoms was a good idea.
Oh, jeez.
Well, what do you know? You work at a nail salon. Just, you know.
You work at Payless.
Hey! Hey, you pay less and get more. Have some respect. Alright? I'm sorry, I'm so flustered. I'm so torn. In all honesty, we should have these radish festivals. It's so good for the environment, but it's just Reese is against them, so I have to be against him, and it's really because his dad's against him. His dad's such a loser. You know that guy's like fake ex-military? Like he was a mercenary, but not in the army. Like a rogue guy.
$10 extra and I can tell you how to make him fall in love with you.
Barbershop.
A lot of guys used to masturbate when I was a mercenary. When I was a mercenary, man, we just masturbate left and right. And that's how I found the way.
Is this gonna be?
And that's
story.
it. Is story over.
Okay, thanks.
Daniel Beach, what brings you here? Pray tell.
I just need a trim, and I'll be on my way. Listen, I don't want to hear your stories. I don't want you to try and invite me to another service. I just want to get out of here and be done with you.
Every year you come to me for a haircut during the Radish Festival. Every year we have this conversation.
Yep. I'm getting pretty hairy. I just need some. I need to get this hair out.
Every year you come to me.
You're the best.
I am the best because I've been blessed with a gift by a higher power. But I think every year you come to me because you want me to change you.
Okay, I have to tell you something. So Reese won't say yes, but this guy, Daniel Beats, he's like 31. He asked me to go to prom with him. No, maybe it'll make him jealous. Maybe Reese will care now if he sees me with an older man.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay. Reese does care, but he only cares after he sees you and Daniel Beats have a very intimate dance.
That can't be right.
Barbershop!
Now, I've been seeing that you've been giving the eye to that nice homely girl, right?
My business is none of your business, okay? I can't. This fucking place is like a salon, all right? People come in here and gossip about me and my life. I don't care for your sermons. I don't care for your inquiries. I just want a fucking haircut. And as a matter of fact, you know what? I can go get myself my own haircut.
Daniel Beats, please, 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 sit down. I will go on your way, sir. This one's on the house. Yeah, look, I have one suggestion. If you want to conquer any woman.
I'm all ears.
To conquer any woman, doesn't matter if she's 15 years your junior.
Oh, goodness.
Come on.
You must do an intimate dance with her.